Hello everyone, welcome back to English Communication Guru. Today we'll see a conversation between a teacher and a student. So let's begin. Good morning, Shruti. How are you today? Good morning, ma'am. I'm feeling a bit nervous about the upcoming exams. It's completely normal to feel a bit nervous, Shruti. Exams can seem intimidating, but remember, they are just a way for us to see how much you have learned and grown this semester. I know, ma'am, but I still worry I won't do well. I understand, but let me assure you, Shruti, you have been working very hard all year. That's already a great foundation for success in your exams. Thank you, ma'am, but I'm still not sure if I have studied enough. Well, that's a valid concern. Have you been following the study schedule we discussed in class? Yes, ma'am, I have. I have been reviewing my notes and textbooks every evening. That's excellent, Shruti. Consistent revision is key to retaining information. Remember, you should not cram everything in at once, but rather strengthen what you have already learned over time. Okay, ma'am, I will keep that in mind. But what if I don't understand something during the exam? If you encounter a question you are unsure about during the exam, don't panic. Take a deep breath, read the question carefully, and try to recall any related information. That sounds like a good plan. Thank you, ma'am, for your advice and encouragement. Ma'am, could you share some tips on how to manage time during exams? I always struggle with that. Of course, Shruti, time management is crucial during exams. You should allocate a certain amount of time to each question based on its difficulty. Start with the easier questions to build momentum and then move on to the more challenging ones. And remember, if you find yourself spending too much time on one question, it's okay to move on and come back to it later. Ma'am, sometimes I get distracted by other students during exams. How can I stay focused? That's a common challenge, Shruti. One way to stay focused is to create a small barrier around your workspace with your belongings, like a pencil case or water bottle, to minimize distractions. Also, try to maintain a positive mindset and stay confident in your abilities. Remember, you have prepared well and you are capable of tackling any challenge that comes your way. Thank you, ma'am, for your amazing tips and kind guidance. I'll keep them in my mind. You are welcome, Shruti. Just remember, exams are just one way to assess your progress, regardless of the outcome. What's most important is that you have put in your best effort. I'll do my best, ma'am. Thank you again. You are very welcome, Shruti. Now let's continue with today's lesson, shall we? Yes, ma'am. Let's continue with today's lesson. Thank you. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the bell icon.